Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain you about Apc 600 VA UPS, and we also do unboxing. This UPS is used for home and office series desktops and its model number is BX600C-IN and runtime is 27 minutes. This means you will get backup for your PC till 27 minutes. The American Power Conversion Corporation was started in 1981 and it grown to be a flagship brand of Schneider Electric. This UPS had a following features. First is battery saver. In this mode, it will increase battery life up to 2x, and second one is surge protection, and third one is AVR, automatic voltage regulator. It means it will work as a voltage stabilizer. This UPS had a capacity of 600 VA. VA means voltage ampere. If you convert to watts, you will get 360 watts and it will charge within 4 to 6 hours. This UPS has a 2 years warranty including battery, and this UPS is BIS safety certified. BIS means Bureau of Indian Standards. And here we have how much runtime will give this UPS for all-in-one PC with 15 inches monitor. And if it is battery saver is off, you will get 27 minutes. If it is battery saver is on, you will get 14 minutes. For home PC with 19 inches monitor, you will get 14 and 7. For performance PC with 22 inches monitor, you will get 9 and 4 minutes. Now unboxing this UPS. When you open this box, the company had written some precautions about battery and customer care toll-free numbers. This one is Apc UPS. We have two buttons and one indicator. First button is power button and second button is battery saver button. And back side we have three sockets that is output to the PC. Now turn on this UPS. Here this indicator have different modes. If it is in green color, battery is charging. If it is in red color, we have to replace the battery. If it is in off mode, it is fully charged.